Hey guys, it is Roman2XD here. I know I haven't posted in like 3 months.
Oh, he needs some milk!
But our subscriber count's still slowly going up, so I decided to make a new video since I've switched rooms, and I'll give you a new room tour, which I've never done before. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Turn my bedroom on.
Okay.
Capiche. So, I'm going to start off right when you walk into the room. I've got an IKEA trad-free magnetic thing here, which controls that light up there and allows you to vary the brightness of it and turn it off if you want to at some point. But yeah, very good for night usage, and it's really simple because I can just pick it up and do whatever I want with it. So this is the first of my 8 speakers in my surround sound system. It's got an LED strip behind it, which I set up, and it's got custom painted speak stand to white, very simple. Moving on over here, we got a couch here, which is just super comfy, and I can relax and watch TV here, or look on one of my 3 phones or tablets, or something like that. And yeah, it's just a super comfy couch. No LED strips on this one, no gizmos. So 1/2 last things, I've actually got a Apple keyboard mounted to the bed so I can control the Apple TV 3rd generation and type in movies because I don't actually have a remote for it, so this is really good. And I've also got my lovely James Bond poster up here. Now here you can see my plethora of, if that's a proper word.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
Of controls, you've got 2 Xbox controllers, and I've actually mounted a pop socket on the back to hold my headset, which can just wind in and out if I so please. Here I've got a cool remote which is actually backlit because I love everything with LED lighting. Got a keyboard on the back as well, and motion sensors inside so I can control the TV, as well as and it can learn IR frequencies. Anyway, I'm just going to make another video on this because it's just an amazing remote. Then we got my phone, and then a tablet which I use because it's got an IR blaster built in for some smart stuff. So yes, there we go. So my entertainment setup is pretty damn awesome. I've got an LG 49 UJ630V, so it's a 49-inch 4K TV. It's got a full array LED backlit panel, so it's pretty damn good. It's got everything I want. It's great for gaming because of the True Motion feature, and equally as good for movies. So in my entertainment kind of console, I've got an Xbox One, you know, the original massive one, with a small white vinyl skin on top. Got my Denon AVR receiver, which is powering my I'm not sure if it's 5.1 or 7.1 surround sound system, but it still sounds amazing for movies. Got the 2 Wolfdale speakers on top, a Technics turntable, and then my Apple TV is hidden. And then in here, my beauties, my pride and joys, my Ultra Boost Uncaged in white. Yeah, no. Thumbs up from Grace. Almost forgot, I've got an LED strip around the TV for some good lighting at night, so it's not kind of blaring my face. And a LED strip around the cabinet, all voice controlled, all phone controlled, all remote controlled, because you know it's me. And yeah, pretty awesome. So this is a setup you'll be familiar with. I've got my monitors as usual, but there are a slight few changes. For one, my PC is actually on the side, so you can see straight into it through the tempered glass side panel. My keyboard's in a usual spot, but I've actually done a little job of having it so it magnetically attaches to the back, to the side of my desk. Have configured my little, I'm not sure if you can see that, my little Android phone as a sort of Elgato Stream Deck, so I can click stuff and it will load. It does take a bit of time, but it's usually quite fast. There you go, clicked Word, or I can mute it, I can launch folders for work, I can launch editing softwares, Spotify, skip tracks, make the volume louder, all of that cool stuff, straight from a phone, tiny mouse pad, Batman, pop vinyl figures, digital LED strip around the entire thing, which can change colours of course, because I like to do stuff, and then a little kind of coaster here to hold my AC/DC cup with glitter inside, because it's a very manly cup, and yeah, that's my setup, as per usual. So one of the things I made yesterday was an actual pillow speaker, so the sound you're hearing right now is coming from my pillow. Now the last thing I have to round off this video is my star behind me. As you can see, I've got a nice warm white LED strip, which I might change to a colour one because it kind of interferes with the other crazy rainbow LED strips everywhere else. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be uploading a video on the TV, I think, and on the remote, because I just love the remote so much. Tell me if you don't want to see those. I sure want to see them, so who cares? But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.